Hi beauties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today we're going to be doing a little tutorial of this look that I did the other day for the reveal of the Laluna X Beauty by Say H2O beauty liners. In honor of it being pre-sale day today for the new liners, I really wanted to sit down and do a little cute tutorial using them. If you beauties are not already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. Alrighty beauties, I just did my eyebrows. Now we are about to jump into this tutorial. I am so excited. This is one of my favorite eye looks I've ever done. Today for this look, we'll be diving into a few different colors in the beauty liner collection. The first shade we'll be diving into today is this yellow one right here. This one is called Stella. We will also be diving into the really pretty UV pink, which is called I Love You. Danny is one of my favorite shades in this whole entire collection. Green is my favorite colors. So of course we are going to be diving into this green shade right here. And then last but not least, the really pretty unique rose shade right here. We're going to be diving into that one as well. But first, to trace out the little shape of the eye look, I'm going to be going in with this white shade right here. This one is called Daisy. Usually what I do first before I start diving into the paint pots, I like to get myself a little thing of water so that I could just dip my brush in there and switch out colors really fast. You don't have to pick up too much water on your brush, just enough to pick up enough product. Now that I have Daisy all nice and coated on that brush, I'm just going to start drawing out the shape that I want on my eye. This little line is just going to help us map out where we're going to put all the color on the inside, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Y'all are seriously going to laugh when you realize how easy this eye look is. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Stella. I'm just taking my brush and swirling it around in there. Taking this liner brush with Stella on it, and I'm just going to start making little patches of yellow in different places inside the white liner. Now I'm going to be going into the shade Beauty. That's that really, really pretty, unique rose shade. Y'all, I love this color so much. Now I'm doing the same thing I was doing with the yellow, but with the shade Beauty. And again, you don't have to be very precise with this, so you can just be as messy as you want. This eye look is so cute so far. We are going to continue on. I'm taking I Love You now. That's the bright UV pink. And I'm just putting this in different places as well, all over the eyes. I just love these colors together. They're not usually colors that you would think to put together, but all together they are so beautiful. This is looking absolutely stunning so far, if I do say so myself. Last color that we're going to be diving into today is Danny. I absolutely love this shade. It is one of my absolute favorites. I'm just going to fill in all the little leftover gaps that there are. Y'all can't tell me that y'all don't love this color combination. I'm just obsessed with these colors together. Just to add a little bit more oomph to this eye look, I am going to add some little rhinestones. First, I'm going to take some eyelash glue and I'm just going to line it right around the whole entire eye look. Now I'm just taking the rhinestones one by one and I'm just putting them around the eye look. Alrighty beauties, I'm going to finish putting on these rhinestones, finish up my face makeup, and then we'll be back to do the little splatter drips. Alrighty beauties, this is what the look looks like so far. I went ahead and did my face makeup, added some lipstick, and now it is time to add the little drips. Basically, all I did for this part is just take those same liner brushes that I was using before. I'm going in with the shade Danny first, and I'm just going to take this and I'm going to be messy with it and start bringing it on down. Just doing little dots and being as messy as I can with it. Y'all can even take a back of a spoolie, dip it into a tiny, tiny bit of water, mix it into the color that you want. You just take the tip of that spoolie and you just make messy little marks all over the place. This is basically the same technique that you do with the nail art brush, just with a spoolie instead. Now I'm going in with that rosy shade. I'm going in with the nail art brush again just because I kind of like this technique a little bit more for the under eye, especially for this area when I'm doing like tiny little marks and I want it to be kind of precise but still messy at the same time. And again, you can just be as messy as you want to, but still kind of making it into a dripping look. The last shade to finish up this eye is Stella. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this side and then I'll be back with the final look. Alrighty beauties, this is my final look using the Laluna Cosmetics X Beauty by Say H2O beauty liners. I am absolutely obsessed with this look and I absolutely love all the colors that I picked out for this collection. By the time this video goes up, the pre-sale will have already launched and I am so excited. I cannot wait to see you beauties looks. If you beauties do pick the liners up and you decided to create with them, please don't forget to tag me and Laluna Cosmetics on TikTok and on Instagram. We will love to see your looks. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to Laluna Cosmetics for making my dreams come true with this amazing collection, and thank you beauties so much for the endless support and love. None of this would ever be possible without you. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a little pink heart in the comments so that I know that you stayed here till the end, and I love you beauties so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye beauties!